Did take a year off of traveling the road last year. It's something to do with a debt to society and the cartel. It's pretty sketchy all the way around, but he's back. We've got documentation that says he's cleared to travel the lower 48. Plays the bass guitar, all right? He's over here just doing his thing. Lives over in the piney woods of East Texas. He's been practicing all week. This is 13 seconds of everything he has right here. Get dialed in. 13 seconds of glory. Lad sensation, my friend Chris Flores. This is a whole different situation over here. This is proof. This is proof that being nice to people has consequences. All right. Yeah. Sometimes you're nice to people, then you get stuck with them your whole life. All right. You're just trying to be nice. You may be here with one of those friends right now, just trying to figure out how this happened. And you were like, I was just holding the door open. Now I'm married. How did we get here? You know what I'm saying? He shows up everywhere I am. He's awkwardly tall. He's got horrible jokes. Plays a whole lot of instruments a little bit, but he's got to make fiddle cool again. Put your hands together. Burleson, Texas. Several months ago, we were trying to find a guitar player. We were having a lot of trouble. We looked everywhere, scoured the internet, talked to people, and then this guy showed up. Lives in Fort Worth, Texas. No one I know knows him. I don't know him. No one in the band knows him. We're not sure where he came from, all right? Pretty suspicious all the way around, but he's here and he plays the lead guitar. So put your hands together for Mr. David Casey. this, hell, we've been doing this over 22 years, something like that. Thanks for being a part of that. I've been saying the whole time, you want to play country music in Texas, you need a brother in your band. I've learned a lot of things, and here's an important one. Pay attention when you go to shows. There's a difference in drummers, and that's a bad man sitting behind me right there. Right? You don't get to see cool stuff every day, so pay attention. One of the best in the business, sitting on any stage anywhere, as fast as I've ever seen it get done on the beat, from Dallas, Texas. Sexual Chocolate, Brandon Fox. Now with the bruises and the bloody man saying, I'll always love you was the last thing he said. She pulled the trigger with the barrel at his head. Said I wanna hit her again. Yeah, I wanna hit her again. You can be real sure I'm gonna make friend. I'll never ever hit her again. Take me home. All together now. There's a 12 gauge